So why would you want to learn effects at CG Spectrum? I mean, that's an easy one, right? Hi, my name is Daniel Hourigan, and I'm the Department Head of Effects here at CG Spectrum. Working in effects is one of the most rewarding careers there is within the film industry. The challenge of solving problems both technically and artistically to really feel that nuanced performance, and to create something just extraordinarily moving to the audience. There aren't many disciplines that can say that. And while it's true, Houdini is a difficult program, it's also one of the most versatile and widely used in the film industry, and by those wanting to work on serious films. What we wanted was to create a course that not only taught you the toolset, but also the foundational skills required to work within a team, with vague briefs and art direction that means you can't always rely on a tutorial for help. With our Foundations of Effects, you'll begin by learning essential Houdini skills that build the foundations of most effects work, like creating and manipulating geometry and particle effects. We then build upon those skills to look at everything from destruction and explosions to fluid simulations, before bringing it all together in a capstone project. Mastering these skills will set the stage for working confidently within a professional environment and to prepare you for further specialization and advanced work. So, if you'd like to learn directly with professionals and join a vibrant community also interested in actualizing energy in its many subtle forms, then CG Spectrum is where you should be.